How I wonder. Friends, have you ever wondered how a caterpillar turns into a beautiful butterfly? Let's find out. It all starts with a tiny egg. A butterfly lays its eggs on a leaf. Inside that egg is a baby caterpillar waiting to hatch. When the egg hatches, out comes a tiny caterpillar. The caterpillar is very hungry and starts munching on leaves right away. Once the caterpillar is big enough, it stops eating and finds a safe place to rest. It spins a silky cocoon or makes a hard shell around itself. Inside, the caterpillar starts to change into something magical. After some time, the cocoon opens, and out comes a beautiful butterfly. For more videos, please subscribe.